So you want to see what a swap meet looks like. This is a Ford swap meet that we're headed to in Columbus. And I wish I could be taking my big truck, but some old lady hit me in the side of the truck and took my leaf spring out on the other side. So that sucks. But anyways, this is what a swap meet looks like. And I've been coming to the Columbus one for about 10 years. There's one in the fall and one in the spring, and that's always a really good time. But I gotta rely on old trusty Rusty here to make me there and back. But let me tell you what. Had to change the damn wheel bearing. See that brand new fucking thing? Come on! Had to change the new wheel bearing. And I had to change the U-joints. And we had to change the brakes and everything. And I just did the transmission lines last week. So it's like, you know, come on, man. I got to do all this maintenance to this thing just to make it there. But anyways, me and my man Paul here, we got this whole trailer all loaded up. This is my race trailer. We're going to have a good time. What's up, Paul? You know, a hole full of parts. But we like to restore a lot of stuff, as you see. You know, as you see on my eBay, you see my brackets here, powder coated and painted. Looks good. But anyways, I'm going to keep you updated. This is going to be a video for the whole weekend, pretty much. I'm going to take a couple videos here and there, so apologize about the language. But hey, we're going to have a good time. All right, so we made it here. That trip sucks every time. It's like 3 hours plus, 3.5 hours. Now I got to wait in line for these dickbags to get out of my way. I'm sure they're nice people. But I'm tired, I want to get this stuff unloaded. But let me show you what this is. Basically, it's the Ohio Expo Center. Got a big building here, it's full of vendors, people in the middle. Big building, bricker building, it's got its own vendors. And then this is like a car corral where you can buy and sell cars. I fucking know. But got my trailer all full of parts. I usually race with this trailer, but you know, this time of year, we have a little bit of fun with it. See a lot of old Mustang stuff here. It's kind of nice going through. It's almost like a freaking museum. So we're in the building finally, and like all these vendors already kind of have set up and stuff. What's up, man? All these vendors are kind of already set up. They're like all in the corners and shit. And like I can't even get this big ass trailer in here. Here, I gotta show you this stuff. It's a pretty cool little setup. If you've never been to a swap meet before, it's a pretty cool. It's a big building, and I'll take another video of it later of us walking around. But you know, there's a lot of things going on. Like my man Gilbert right here, he's been selling old Mustang parts for many years or whatever. So. Anyway, let me get this fat pig unloaded and we'll hit you guys up, you know, in a little bit. It's definitely a cool event. We managed to get here without any problems. We're about to go crazy with the unload. I'm gonna tell dude to move so I can, you know, have a little bit more area and they can move his truck, or at least go on the side of my truck. But go ahead and pop that down. We got a whole bunch of stuff. So you're always coming to a swap meet and you get these fucking dudes. See this guy right here? This guy right here's got a really fast boat, and he bounces titties off him, and he still doesn't video it. What's wrong with this guy? No, that's my friend Tim. All right, we're gonna go for a walk. This is funny. I gotta pee. You pee good. Say hi, Sandy. She sells stickers. I gotta pee. All right. So this is the fucking swap meet. We're gonna go around. I'm gonna just show you. We got a bunch of parts that people are selling. I think this one dude has been selling these valve covers for like 4 fucking years. I think these valve covers have been for sale for about 7 years. Like, I don't know. So we got another Fox brother guy over here. He's here, man. He's a good farmer, sort of. We didn't bring a lot of shit this year. Huh. Guess we bring them more.
Any arrow on those rollers?
What's that?
Any arrow on those roller cars? Like V8 cars? Rollers?
What about them?
Have any?
I have 2 of them, 3 of them.
What's the story on?
I don't know yet. I gotta show you first. This is Joey's from Canada. He always busts my chops every time we come to swap meet. I got gas lines for it. Reset. Okay. Well, you can use a fork. Let's go back this way because I think the bathrooms are good. So these are all vendors because none of these guys are actually buying anything. And it looks empty because there's no vendors here. there's no people allowed in except vendors, and all these spaces will be clicked up. So how the swap meet actually works, though, it's pretty simple. They actually sell 10 by 20 blocks, and each one of these squares where the cracks are at are 10 by 30, you want to say. Anyways, they got it marked up some way, so that's the way this goes. I guess I can't take it into the bathroom, huh? I had to pee real quick, so I had to put it on pause. I'm trying to hold this camera the best I can without making any noise or whatever. Making it film. Oh, I'm up in somebody's space here, I think. So it's pretty cool. Yeah, this is the swap meet. I mean, come here to pedal parts, buy parts. A lot of this stuff is old and antique shit. You know, you got old Mustang stuff. It's really cool to come to, and it's actually quite the experience. So, it's always nice to go through and look at all the stuff that you can buy. This tool guy is really cool. There's a couple of these guys here that sell just a bunch of tools. Oh, we gotta trim it. Pretty cool. Hopefully I can get out. Always kind of really cool stuff. Like this guy actually went through and has a bunch of old fasteners. This is a really cool idea. All these factory bolts and clips. Very good idea. Anyways, I will keep you guys updated and walk around the swap meet. Well, we got it all unloaded finally. Got to the Hilton where I'm staying at, and never get that day off working out. Gotta keep that heart rate up, you know what I mean? Getting too old to be taking days off. But it's a nice hotel, Hilton Garden Inn. Excellent place to stay down here in Columbus and Polaris Parkway. And you know, good ass room, you know. It's pretty sweet. So catch you guys in the morning. I hope my video isn't too shaky and shit. Just trying to get you a little bit of vlogging going on, what goes on at Spring Swap Meet. I'm gonna go hang out on my internet for a little while, wait for my steak salad to get here, and see you guys in the morning. Peace. She starts running. Well, we're here at the swap meet. Good morning, it's Saturday. I'm here with my man Paul. This is Derek, he's with Gilbert. They sell a lot of old vintage Mustang stuff. Where are you guys out of?
St. Louis.
St. Louis? So they drive far for this stuff. You can see the show starting to pick up. There's a lot of people here. We're having a good time. I already sold some long tube headers that I took off some damn motor I've had for, what, years, so. But anyways, this is a swap meet, man. This is where you're here to make some deals. This is like a really unique experience, and it's kind of a dying breed that I kind of hope resurges, because I mean, you meet people here that you have like interests with. Like, I would have never met Gilbert before, but I have like interests with this guy because he likes his car parts, you know what I mean? He likes to sell stuff and he likes to interact with people. So, you know, being in a swap meet is really definitely a different dying breed because, you know, because of the spawn of the technology and the internet. But, you know, here, I'll take you through some of my junk. So you can see some of my stuff. I mean, I got fuel pumps and injectors, and I mean, I got a couple turbos, you know, rockers, a couple harmonic balancers, just differentials. You know what I mean? Just a bunch of stuff here. I just sold some exhaust pieces. We always clean up and rebuild our axles. You know, got a couple nice bumpers and cane members. We like to restore a lot of parts. Obviously, I sell stuff on eBay. You know, but I mean, we restore and powder coat and paint a lot of these old factory brackets. People dig that shit. So, you know, it's worth doing. I like the swap meet because you just come here to make some deals. You don't have to worry about nobody, you know, PayPal, and you don't have to worry about, you know, just bullshit. So, you know, and like I said, it's a dying breed. Look at my man Gilbert's over here. He's over here working, this guy. But you know what? You didn't make any money, you wouldn't be here. Check out this amp, dude. Any of you old schoolers out there, man. See, I'm from the 80s and 90s, so look at this shit. What? Rockford Fosgate, bro. Like, this came in a car 10 years ago, 15 years ago, I don't even know. Doesn't smell, so it's a good indicator it's not broken. I did all these switches here. Got a rebuilt T5 that I built. Pretty cool. And we are also selling stickers for all you guys out there. YouTube wants some stickers. Sandy, my videologist, how do you say that shit? I don't know how to say that shit. I don't know. Anyways, I'll keep you guys informed. What's up? Been busy all day making some monies. So we're here at the swap still. You know, I'm gonna take you guys around. I wish I knew how to flip this actual phone, but that's all right. Had a good day today. It was busy for being a spring swap meet. But we're gonna go take a walk. I wish I had the little handheld thing, so I'm apologizing for it being like, you know, swaying back and forth or whatever from the way I walk. But we're gonna go over here and take a look at some of these other events going on. See, some guys, they like to pack up on Saturday because Sundays are kind of a waste of time for a lot of people. That's the sad part about some of these swap meets is they're so dying to leave. You got these people that are leaving, and they shouldn't be leaving at all. They should be waiting to, you know, wait until the end of the swap meet. But I mean, it is what it is. See, you got some people outside. See, we're here in the Columbus Airport. You always get to see a little bit here. That's a view right there in the Galaxy 500. People outside. People sell theirs for $200.
I know. That's what I said.
You say hi to YouTube?
No.
It's got probably one of the fastest cars in Ohio, Canadian body. What are you looking at? This whole wire harness box? I know what you're doing. It's what I do for a living. So, what are you gonna get this whole box for, you think? Did he put the 92, 93? That's up there. That's just for his son. Because I went out here and identified it. Did you get the, huh? I already know what's in there. We'll keep walking. Hey, did you get those seats?
Yeah.
Did you already load them?
No. I came out here real quick. Check with this guy.
Yeah. Well, McLeod,
Doing
yeah.
any good?
Huh?
Doing any good?
Yeah, not bad, man.
Yeah, it's been pretty decent for us too.
Looks good. This is all I coasted. This guy, I was looking at this guy's coupe quarter panels forever over here. What I would do to these coupe quarter panels would be amazing. I'm probably gonna offer this dude like 20 bucks for them. I'll scuff the shit out of them and paint them or whatever. You know, probably sell them on eBay. They're probably selling black or whatever. He wants 60 for them. Steep. But I could make those look mint. They get a lot of rot on them and shit, you know. Like this stuff here, the scratches and stuff. He had a whole titanium set sitting here, but it didn't sell. But this is the spring swap meet, guys. This is probably not one of the biggest ones here in Columbus, but I mean it's pretty cool. I mean it's 70 degrees outside and you know end of March, early April, whatever here in Ohio. So it's kind of nice. But anyways, I'll keep you guys updated. You walk around swap meet. So every time I come down to Columbus for the swap meet, I always come to this pizza place. It's called Hound Dogs. It's absolutely fucking amazing. This pizza here is off its wall, man. So we had actually ordered it to go because we didn't feel like actually sitting in, because this is Greek week down here, and I was actually in Sigma Chi in a fraternity. You know, so in college I always get a chance to come through and check it out. But yeah, this is Hound Dogs. Looks cool, don't it? It's pretty sweet. So anyways, good morning. What's up, YouTube? This is Sunday. Sunday is really kind of dead though. You can see a lot of the vendors in the background. They've kind of already left. Like, they started parking their trucks in so they can get out early. It's like, you know, this swap meet's only going from 9 to 2. So usually Sundays are really dead. You usually get most of your crowd in usually on Saturday. Like, it comes in waves. It's a really cool experience. Like I said, if you guys get an opportunity to do a swap meet and you have a bunch of parts sitting in your basement or whatever, it's about the experience, man. I've met a lot of people here that have the same passion as we all do, really, with Mustangs and stuff. And you know, and you get to talk to some of the old guys too that share stories about some of their old parts, and you know, just like the guy Gilbert I was telling you about yesterday. They get to share parts, you know, and share stories about some of the how they have acquired, you know, parts over the years, and you know how much money they used to make when swap meets were actually really cool. So I mean, it's something definitely I'd like to see get big again. And the only way to get big is to, you know, go out there and, you know, tell a little story about it. And you know, this is kind of a clickbait video. There's not really a lot I'm going to tell you, you know, that's going to help you with your Fox body or whatever. But I mean, this is just something that, you know, they'll make me a chunk of money every year. I get to get rid of a bunch of parts that I have too many of to begin with, and I get to meet new people. So it's always a fun thing. Again, I'm going to be putting this video together later today, and I apologize about it being a little wiggly, and I apologize about you know, the rudimentary, you know, the filming or whatever. But you know, it's fun. It's what I like to do. It's actually pretty cool, you know, doing the vlogging thing with the Mustang stuff. But anyways, without further ado, it's probably going to be really slow around here today. We're going to be packing up right around about 2. Be able to get my truck in and bring it in from the back, and I'll be able to bring my trailer right up to here, which is really nice. So be able to, you know, be with my family tonight. And I will see you guys on the flip side.